The evening of January the 9th, 2 levees broke. It was raining very hard. We're a couple of blocks away from these canals. We didn't get no notifications that water was gonna take over our little town of Planada. So this is what's left of our house, my mother's home. I was 3 years old when we moved in, and I grew up in this home. My mom loved her home so much. She took care of it so well. Up to 4 feet of water up here through the alley, and then all the power went out. Come here, man, Papa, man, come here. And he just started doing that hissing sound when this whole tragic happened. He's just very nervous. He's my mom's pet, and he's been with her for a very long time. Hopelon. To come back to a home, a lot of these memories were underwater. It was just horrific. It was just too much to take in at that time. So then the mold really starting to smell. Our water was mixed with sewer water. Yeah, it's just been very hard. It's just.
This is Merced County is majority agricultural area. You know, dairies, almonds. It's all low-income, undocumented farm workers that take care of all the labor. That's why it's so hard.
Compassion in your heart, relief in action.
I didn't know what to expect when I got here. The people that are here, the ceremony was very heartfelt. It was very emotional for me, especially when the song came up.
I was moved to tears. You were singing and the gestures with your hands, and my eyes welled up with tears. I felt it. I genuinely felt the compassion. I felt the eagerness that you want to really help, and that came across as sincere to me. I enjoyed it.
Lo tengo a él de 22 con necesidades especiales. Pues estoy muy agradecida porque perdimos todo. Somos 7 de familia. Pues esto es muy grande para nosotros y les agradezco.
Gracias. Bye. Thank you.
They're very compassionate, very caring, very natural. They just conversated with me, made me feel, not scared anymore, because I've been doing a lot of crying because I'm just like that.
I'm happy, this is gonna help me. I'm going to use it to actually fix my car, which was flooded. I'm hoping our community stays together. We continue working together. We're a small community. We can do this. We can surpass what happened. He didn't have to come to Planada. But he came because he cares. And this is the way he's showing his compassion. So denle un aplauso al Señor mío. I'm leaving here with peace. I'm leaving here with taking more compassion with me and more love to my community. I'm truly, truly very thankful.